Hi guys, welcome back to my page again. My name is Larry. So today I'm here to show you guys how to rock our Ajia Zainab bridal turban. Most of you have it and you seem to get lost on how to rock it. So today I'm here to personally show you how to rock it. And those of you that will screenshot and take it to other vendors, I beg, they will get the same thing. They will do rubbish. Come and buy from Larry. Yes, so let's let's dive into the video. Okay, it has an inner cap like this. So I have a turban lifter. I have a turban lifter which is going for a cool 35 cedis. So it's kind of work together with the turban lifter to give it a volume. Volume. So let me drop this here, then we'll continue later. Right? Or we should continue. Let's continue wherever. So I'll be putting this on the lifter.